So yun guys, boring ako ngayon kaya nag-solo rank game ako. Guys, kung gusto nyo ako makalaro, ilagay nyo sa comment section yung mga MLID nyo. At dito guys, balak ko palang sana mag-jungle pero may magjo-jungle kaya mag-EXP lane na lang ako. At dito guys, nag-pick ako ng Arlot at kung di ka pa naka-follow sa page ko, edi tangina mo. Biro lang, dito maganda ang pick nila kaya ano pang hinihintay, balagbagan na.
So I let it grow. I tell them take it easy. They laugh and tell me no. It's cool, but I don't see them laughing at my. I never sense the truth. Cause I've been staring in the net so many times. The scary monsters are like it devils. I wish I could just look at this and see that the blood will shine. I see you when you get catch. So they call me Missy Easy Day. It's any place to clear. I do my best to stay. Live the plan, hold it up to take. And then you
So yun lang guys, salamat sa panunood.